like देखते हाँ, it is Joomla. It is Joomla. So Narendra gets a prize. The project was named after the yellow-colored toy elephant owned by the son of one of the lead developers. Which project? Hadoop. Exactly. Hadoop.
Yeah, Hadoop is a cluster.
See, I'll tell you what Hadoop is. I mean, like Google has a distributed computing platform called MapReduce. So, okay. Yeah, mark it down. Okay, next question. What is a freedom toaster? Well, I'll give someone else. Someone else. To the organization. Over there.
It's a kind of device which was basically made for like African countries, and the FOSS tools and like softwares and all, they can be like if you cannot download them via the net, you can get it from the Freedom Toaster. It's a kind of burn it on. And it's highly valuable.
So this is a picture of a Freedom Toaster. It's a bit like an ATM machine. All you have to do is take a blank CD, go there and burn it on FOSS. They have free and open source software over there. Choose the ones which you want to burn onto CD and burn it for free. There is one in Thiruvananthapuram. What is Anaconda? And not the snake. It's a movie. Not the movie. The installer for Red Hat Fedora is called Anaconda. And what is the reason? Huh? I said not a snake, right? The reason is that it's written in C and Python, and Anaconda belongs to the Python family. That's why. Next. How do we know the JavaScript debugger component of Mozilla Application Suite? And hint is Ghostbusters.
Is it Greasemonkey? No. JavaScript debugger.
Greasemonkey is an add-on. It's not Firebug. Mozilla Application Suite is different. It's not Firefox. There is someone there? Firebug, no.
I'll try.
Casper, no.
Venki?
It's not Venki, but
It's some sort of.
it's close. The answer is Venkman.
Let's get one more.
Venki man.
Venkman. I gave the answer very good.
Let's give some more hints and all.
Okay, so the name because you're GStreamer. Like, how many of you guys use Linux? Right? So, yeah! We are Linux. Photo would be here.
I learned how to take such pictures from Japan.
Why don't you just climb up there? Okay. Okay, so you must have... Right. So, anyway, connect these two.
He wrote the codex. He wrote the MP3 codex for GStreamer.
You don't even know who the guy is.
Tell us who the guy is, then
He's a movie maker.
He used to make spaghetti westerns.
हाँ.
The westerns which are
हाँ.
produced by Italians and shot in Spain and Italy.
हाँ. Good. Then. So, how do you connect it with GStreamer? He's a director. I'll tell you that. Old movie.
So you can watch
I'm not giving up the answer.
This is the question. Connect.
God is a player. Otherwise you will run out of questions.
Okay. No, we'll run out of questions. We'll have prizes here. Okay. So, if you have downloaded GStreamer, right, you must have seen the name of the packages. It has something to do with that. Nobody. I did not claim that.
Someone said that.
Kinshuk.
yes. Two pronouns.
It's something related to your. It's in your blog, I think.
What?
It's in your blog.
Yeah,
It has something to do with the movie this guy made.
First character of the answer.
It was named G-Streamer.
GStreamer comes in parts. GStreamer is not one package.
Wait, let me Google it.
Okay, let me I think Sergio and Dio say
Okay, Google it then.
Okay, I'll give the answer because
He is googling, no? Let's see how fast he can Google.
it's a correct question. उसे ये कैसे मिलेगा correct Sergio Leone GStreamer ढूंढे जा रहा है.
Give the first character of the answer, yeah. First character.
So this guy got it right. Sergio Leone, one of his most popular movies is The Good, the Bad and the Ugly.
It's actually
Heard of it? Clint Eastwood. Right? Right? G-Streamer is released in 3 parts. The Good, the Bad and the Ugly. G-Streamer Bad, G-Streamer Good and G-Streamer Ugly.
the thing is that
Yeah,
movie is
search for
actually
G-Streamer on encyclopedia, you'll find this.
This is a setup.
No, it's not a setup. No. That's the actual origin of why they're naming.
Next question.
First call, I mean like, there's an expansion, but it was spelled as UNICS.
Let me answer this, please.
Okay.
There was a character.
You have answered this earlier.
No, I have not.
Twitter?
Okay, try that.
Okay. There was another system called Multics, and Unix was supposed to be the opposite of Multics in terms of its elegance and its support. That's why they.
No. See, read the question. It was UNICS. It was changed to UNIX.
Multics was spelled as
MUL. I got that. But no, that's not
The
it.
reason is when you type logo will be
Just let others try. Let others try. Sounds like what? Okay. हाँ ऐसे बता रहा किसे? हाँ?
Pronounce it as Unix.
मैंने बोला
UNICS.
ये बोला बस
Phonetically? No. Okay, the answer is that Unix sound a lot like Unix. Right? So that's why we changed it to X. Shortened it to X so that it does not sound like Unix. Huh?
Let's give it. What's your name?
Okay, special about MCC Interim Linux, and this is something you can figure out. MCC Interim Linux, released by Only Blank in 1992. Okay, audience first.
In 92 came interim government.
Government?
Somewhere or something like that. Government or something.
Does this have something to do with licenses? No. You can easily figure this out.
It used to take advantage of the 386 protected mode.
No. Anyone else? The answer is very simple and you can figure it out.
What did you do?
It was like what?
What?
It was the first in its kind. First of its kind. What?
Like Megan Fox.
Megan Fox? 1992?
First of a kind.
It was the first of its kind. इससे ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो आंसर ही हो जाएगा.
It's basically a GUI.
Exactly.
No. Okay.
Seriously?
That's too fast. I mean, at least let the Google go. Let the Google basic research, yeah. Take some time.
He's using a laptop with an internet connection. I think.
अरे नहीं है यार
उसमें डेटा कार्ड लगा है ना? All goodies can. So this was the first Linux distro. Before that, go to the end. I mean, it was earlier you had to download the kernel, compile all the packages and everything yourself. This was the first one to provide it in one single unit. So,
actually last time I gave presentation
of an accidental revolutionary.
I know the answer to this one too.
Okay. CentOS refers to the source for the code as PNAELB.
I know what that means.
What? I did not ask that.
A prominent North American enterprise Linux vendor.
By
By
Google it. No. See, what happened is, it is, I'll see, hang on.
Hang on.
So, the thing is that CentOS is like, Red Hat distributes in binary form only to those who take support pricing plans from them, right? They put up the source code online, so what CentOS guys do is, they just compile it and they give it away, okay? So the Red Hat legal team sent a notice to them, ki, tell us what the source is, just to make them confess to, what is happening. And they sent back a reply, PNAELV, Prominent North American Enterprise Linux Vendor. Legally they are doing nothing wrong, that's what they meant to say. Google को देंगे ना, Google have poorly debugged device drivers. Everyone, no, everyone is not an answer. Even I said.
Bill Gates?
Yes. And like after a night of drinking, Windows is set up poorly debugged device drivers. Linux guy. No, it's not. Hang on, let's do this organized. It's not who?
Ken Thompson? Thompson?
Vijay Mallya.
No.
Yeah, don't tell me Shah Rukh Khan.
Mark Nicholson.
Who's he? मुझे पता भी है. So the answer is
Arun Raghunathan.
the co-founder of Netscape. Google is getting a code.
Sachin ने बोला.
किसने बोला भाई?
संजय. यार गूगल वालों को भेज. अबे भाई आप जिसने गूगल
So
लिखा.
Microsoft Open Specification Promise and it
Code which is for some stuff which is used on Linux.
नहीं मतलब share your code for learning purposes only, not for business commercial ऐसा कुछ.
That is for
Shared source यार, shared source.
शेड सोर्स पे एक्सपांड करने को बोल रहा हूँ यार.
अबे shared source.
क्या कर रहे हो बैठ के? विकिपीडिया टॉपिक है इसके ऊपर.
shared source. It's in the
एक
creative
एक
commons.
वर्ड करके बोला यार.
It's in the creative commons.
Is it that the given the reference documentation is as open source?
और what?
Of course.
Implementation of what?
Shared source Microsoft.
Obviously, it has to be something like
open
that.
source.
What do they do? What license?
Right.
Shared source is a license in itself. मुझे ज़्यादा exactly पता नहीं है.
See, shared source works in this way that Microsoft is a closed source thing, right? However, under certain circumstances, they do share source with governments and other organizations whom they trust. Mainly with governments because, governments are very dicey on this thing, we don't have source, we can't modify. So that's why they share it. EU. Mostly because of EU. Right? So nobody knows this?
Yeah, this is basically ना.
So no
Yes.
Microsoft rights are received from suppliers, distributors, or otherwise in connection with this promise. It's a very positive promise.
And it's in the creative
Okay. So what Microsoft did under this, show the it was done in September 2006. What did it say? Where is Bin Laden?
टाइप तो करने तो पहले.
No, we don't say. No. So what exactly will it say? Color will change. No. It don't show nuclear explosion either or Afghanistan map. So what will it say? I want the exact text it will say. No. No.
I'm sorry, these questions are too damn hard.
Yeah. No.
Is this different for GCC and Unix C shell?
Different. See, there are different shells. There's bash, there's So
But you have Linux basic, right?
it's a humorous answer.
No such
Obviously,
file
I'm not-
directory.
Huh?
No such file directory.
No. ये Google पे नहीं मिलता है. Maybe if you try Google,
If you have putty connection, then it is possible.
Okay, show the answer.
Linux account नहीं है.
missing.
He bracket not close. I was
Missing this.
saying bracket not close.
No, I got it. Obviously, it's something around that. I was asking for the exact text it would
Okay,
give.
let's because of this. We are going to give the answer.
सारे ही कह रहे थे command not found or this. System in the world of computing was started by this guy in this book.
Hello world.
Exactly. The answer is Hello World. The tradition of writing the first program as Hello World was started by him.
That's a good answer.
Define Unix style.
Epoch.
Epoch. Yeah. 90 years. So this guy gets it, right?
1970. Second, answer the full date. What is the date?
35 December. It's called epoch time.
Not 30. You are correct. You are very yes.
January. January.
January.
See the way Unix. It's not Amit whoever. It's not. What? Not Steve Jobs.
गूगल पे कैसे सर्च मारूं?
फोटो क्लिक कर. फोटो क्लिक कर.
वो गूगल वाले पे लुइस रेजू.
Moh, तू बता.
Larry Lessig.
It's Lawrence Lessig, the founder of Creative Commons.
मैं नाम लिखते जा रहा हूँ.
यार सबसे तो पूछ ले.
Name was dot.
Let's change the question. ठीक है? What does the name Drupal mean? And I'll give you the answer.
क्या हुआ?
जल्दी करो गूगल.
जल्दी करो.
जल्दी रुक जाओ.
Don't encourage that, yaar. It will spoil the flavor of it.
विकिपीडिया पे करना वहाँ पे लिखा होगा.
मैं बताऊँ?
So I'm
Main draw.
drop. The Dutch for drop.
Water droplet is Drupal.
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 For drop, water drop. And he made a typo while registering Drupal. So that became Drupal.
Google wins. Google does win. Google does.
Okay.
सही है था.
Okay. The one,
GPRS doesn't work.
the one who answered. Harry Potter.
Exactly.
You good at?
So he gets a Xerox for you. What happened is, Harry Potter. The answer, raise your hand.
Harry Potter character.
That's it. कि पहले कुछ नाम लिखता है.
Famous for cracking open many encryption standards.
Amit Patil.
What? What encryption standard has he broken? He's a guy called John Legg Johansson who has broken the DVD encryption system. That was he's best known for that. He released a library called DCSS.
Sounds very similar to Scarlett Johansson.
Unfortunately, not a relation. Project was chosen because of the type of error messages shown in the browser of its predecessor. Convoluted, but it's a operating system. Android? No.
This is an operating system.
This is an operating system. A guy who was working with this operating system was there, yes.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Boss.
Mac. It's not Windows then.
You are close.
You were close. It's no. See. Those are just distros, right? OpenSUSE Fedora is just a distro, right? No, not mine.
OS2.
Next slide. Haiku. Find the server. It used to give error messages in Haiku. Haiku is not won a prize. Gets a prize. Game. Empathy. Empathy project which is being.
Yes. Red Bull. TNT.
It's really. The answer is Open Cola. Was developed. No, this is the last question. There's something called free beer also.
Ubuntu's funda behind Ubuntu's versioning.
This guy.
The numbers.
The month and date. The month and date.
Yeah.
बात नहीं है
तुम्हें तेरे को प्राइस मिल चुका है
मेरे को दे दे मैं
सौरभ
मैम
Yeah, he gave the answer.
हाँ अबे दे दो फटाक से
वैसे
Like that.
So, no. It's an animal and interpret IMAX on Is soft? No, prize distribution ceremony. And he is the chief guest. Being the sponsor of the domain.
there's a twist. In unconference, we call it chief pest.
Okay, fourth
बनाने
question.
किसको देंगे?
पास ऑन मत कर.
वो फोटो खींचो.
Okay, next, Mangat.
अबे मगध होगा ना, मंगत नहीं.
Yugal.
कितनी फोटो खिंचवाएगा?
Who's after Sanjay?
संजीव को नहीं मिला. संजीव प्लस बैठ जा. तूने बहुत 42 किया था, बैठ जा.
to do everything in life according to Uncle Banerjee and his Hitchhiker's Guide to Curriculum. Uncle Banerjee.
मुझे मिल गया है. तो ले लेना.
नहीं